Lack of digital culture and training is the biggest challenge 50% of companies are facing in terms of switching to Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 in the UK alone could benefit the manufacturing sector by £445 billion and create 175,000 jobs. Industrial IoT is projected to create $15 trillion of global GDP by 2030. The fourth industrial revolution is still in its nascent state, but with the swift pace of change and disruption to business and society, the time to join in is now. Join MIP Politecnico di Milano Graduate School of Business Global Master in Industrial Management 4.0. Be part of the new generation of Chief Operation Officers capable of working in international manufacturing and service industries across the world. Join our innovative triple degree program for fresh graduates with scientific or engineering backgrounds. An 18 to 22-month highly internationalized course program designed in official partnership with the Boston Consulting Group, with the opportunity to spend 3 to 4 terms in different countries. From MIP Politecnico di Milano, Italy, to SBS Strathclyde Business School, UK, and choosing among TBS, Toulouse Business School, France, or Beijing Jiaotong University, China, and opt for a university or company-based master thesis in close collaboration with MIP's European partners. Put yourself at the forefront of the fourth industrial revolution. Learn more on the Politecnico di Milano School of Management website.